How to fix the voice chat not showing up on Roblox. So now let's get started. First of all, go to roblox.com and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now click on the more from the side menu and then select setting option. Go to privacy and then after go to privacy content majority. Under the communication settings, find voice chat and then toggle to switch turn on. If it's already enabled, try turning it off and then back on. If you don't not see the voice chat option, it's possible that you haven't enabled it or you are using a trial version. Now if the voice chat is still missing, would you count in for option? If you have activated voice chat by verify your phone number, ensure that it is still verified. If you verified your identity, check that your birth date is correct. You can also try adding your phone number to weekend access to voice chat if you are in a supported region. Next, go to privacy and content majority again. Then go to content majority setting. It should be set it to at least moderate. Return to the settings menu and select communication. Then access the experience chat option and set it to everyone. Play a game again to see if your voice chat is now available. If you still do not see the voice chat, try logging out and back in or close and reopen the application. Additional still bosses. To completely close the Roblox and open the start menu, search for Roblox. Select Roblox and select uninstall once the Roblox is completely uninstalled from your device. Reinstall it using the official product website and try to play a game. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.